Hi, good day everyone. Today I will discuss the case study that I made, and the title is GCash Online Banking and E-Wallet System. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Aldrin J. Alegre from Poblacion is Ilocos and my section is BSIT 1D. So first, what is GCash Online Banking or E-Wallet System? GCash is promote mobile wallet application in the Philippines operated by GCash Exchange. It offers wide array of financial service including sending money, paying bills, buying load, online shopping, and transferring funds to bank. The system relies on the internet-based data communication to process transaction in real life. This case study delves into how GCash applies data communication and networking concept, examining its network types, protocol, iOS layers, and transmission media. So, description of real scenario. GCash function through smartphones connected to the internet via internet Wi-Fi or mobile data. It user-based in diverse encompassing individual customer online merchants, banks, and payment gateways. The types of data transmitters include login credential. Second is one-time password or OTP. Third is account balance information. And the fourth is transaction details. And the last is payment confirmation. And all these data transmitted securely through encrypted communication channels, ensuring the privacy and integrity of financial information. And next is the data communication and networking concept applied. Data communication is digital exchange of data between device through a transition media. In a GCash operation framework, several key data communication and network concepts are applied. The type of network used is 1 or wide area network. This is crucial for connecting user to GCash server across connection user to GCash server across graphical distance enable widespread access to the service. Next is a LAN or a local area network. It used international within GCash data center of efficient communication and data managed among their system. And the important in GCash. Facilitate real-time money transaction allowing media transaction. Ensuring secure payment processing. Protecting user financial data. Next is enable seamless communication between banks and users, streamline financial operation. Next is computer network models. GCash operations are underpinned by fundamental computer network models. OSI models layers involved. First is application layer. This is where the GCash mobile app inference resides, providing the user access to service. Next is the presentation layer, responsible for data encryption to secure transmission information. Next is a session layer, manage user to log in session, maintaining communication between the app and the server. Next is transport layer or TCP. Transmission control protocol is used here to ensure reliable delivery of data packets. Next is network layer. Handle IP addressing and routing direct data packets across different networks. And second to the last is data link layers. Manage data framing for Wi-Fi and mobile network, preparing data physical transmission. And the last is physical layer. Involve the physical transmission of the data through the fiber optic cables and cellular signals. And next is TCP/IP models. GCache also adheres to the TCP/IP model, which include application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network access layer. Protocol and standard use. A variety of protocol standards are essential for GCache secure and efficient option. HTTP ensures secure web communication by encrypting data exchange between the user device and GCache server. TCP guarantees reliable data transmission, ensuring the data packets arrive in order and without errors. SSL or TLS, providing data encryption, safeguarding sensitive information during transmission. DNS, translate human reliable domain names into IP address, enabling device to locate GCache server. And last is IP, responsible for routing data packets across variable network, allowing communication between different systems. Next is transmission mode and transmission media. Transmission mode is GCache utilizes full duplex. Transmission allows user to send and receive data simultaneously, and this is crucial for interact real-time transaction. Transmission media. There has two transmission media, the guided media and unguided media. First is guided media. Fiber optic cables are used as a part of the ISP backbone, providing high-speed and reliable data transmission. Next is unguided media. Wi-Fi signals and 4G or 5G cellular networks are used for wireless communication between user, device, and network. OSI models data flow analysis. A typical GCache transaction involves the following data flow through the OSI model. First is application layer. The user interact with the GCache app to log in or initiate a transaction. Next is a presentation layer. The login or transaction data is encrypted using SSL TLS for security. Next is transport layer. TCP segment the encrypt data into smaller packets for efficient transmission and ensured reliable delivery. Next is network layer. IP addressing and routing the packets the appropriate GCache server. And 5 is data link and physical layer. The data packets are transmitted over Wi-Fi or a mobile network using framing and physical sign. 6. Upon reaching the server, the process is reserved through the same layer. And the server process the request of and send a response back to the user device. And in my conclusion, GCache functionally and reliable are deeply rooted in a robust data communication and networking system. The strategic implementing of TCP/IP protocols, HTTP encryption, one connection, connectivity, and full duplex transmission are fundamental to enabling real-time and secure financial transaction. Without the proper application and interaction of this OSI layer and network protocols, the sophisticated digital banking server offered by GCache would not be feasible, or hindi gagana ang isang GCache kung walang yung mga protocol.